to work out how to take a photo because the GoPro is just taking video, but we are packing the car to leave tomorrow, hopefully. Hi, darling girl. What are you doing? Hey, bud.
No, 3:30.
3:30.
3:30, 4 o'clock. 3:30, 4 o'clock. If you think about it, it's time travel.
No. Day 2. Just left Bordertown, heading towards Adelaide this morning. Any comments on the first night?
Bordertown Caravan Park. It's a little bit noisy for those who aren't deaf.
My truck's going past all night.
Yeah, it is very close to the freeway, but the toilets were nice and clean, so that's a bonus.
Good amenities, just lots of noise by the trucks. So next stop is going to be Adelaide for lunch.
Salt trees that are still hanging on, and dust.
So yeah, 2 hours until we set up camp for the night, day 2. We just spotted the Garn out the window. I don't know if you can see, I
there's people paying less money than we are just to travel across the Nullarbor.
Yeah. The gun goes up though. That's literally the gun. Anyway, I can't zoom in on the GoPro, but we found the gun. We're racing the gun.
We're winning.
We're winning against the gun. Oops, I'm videoing my feet. We found the Loch Ness Monster! We are at Lake Bumbunga. Just took a self-timer picture on the GoPro. And Dylan's going for a wander into the lake, which is partially dried up, to go see the Loch Ness Monster out there. He wants to see how dry it is, but it looks pretty muddy once he gets past that dark bit. Don't get stuck! I'm not coming with you. Bye, Port Augusta. Next stop, we are not going to Northern Territory. We are going to Western Australia. So, Ceduna. Stay left. Off we go. Another 5-hour driving day.
Maybe.
Dylan's done all the driving so far. I know I'll definitely have to do a stint today, but that's okay. We'll just keep going. I'll try and delay it as long as I can because I'm kind of scared to drive. Anyway, what is it? Day
3.
Day 3. Off we go. Iron Knob. Iron mine, I think?
Certainly a lot of iron in the sand.
Yeah, it's very red. So we're just driving through the town. No petrol station.
Yeah,
But-
no fuel.
Not a lot happening in town either. But Iron Knob mine. Out there.
I'm guessing that's the mine.
Probably. Most likely.
Considering how red the bloody road is coming out of it, Jesus. Black going in, red coming out.
Iron Knob.
Yep, now we've had a tour of the mine. Didn't even have to pay for it.
Oh, it's raining.
Now is it? What? No. The desert's supposed to be dry.
Any rain in South Australia is good rain. The scene's filming.
Sammy's first time driving. We're out of Kimba on the way to Ceduna. Still very dry out here, as it would be expected. We've had a little bit of rain though. We have come through a couple of clouds. And how are you feeling?
Scared. I gotta slow down. What do I do?
That's easy. Just back off. Now go down to fourth. So clutch. Relax. Yeah. Fourth. That's it.
So 80 is
Go third.
and it's up.
Yeah. And slow down.
Okay. 60. I'm doing 60, which is 50. No?
No, 60 is 70.
Okay. Oh, it's back to 110 anyway.
Yeah.
Okay. Revs
Okay.
up.
Relax.
Go to
And 4.
4.
No, that's reverse.
Whoop.
Just relax. Middle. That second clutch. Go.
Okay.
When you're trying to get middle,
Yeah.
like the 2 middle gears, so third and fourth,
Yes.
this will automatically spring back into the middle.
Yeah.
So it will be where it needs to be for third and fourth. All you have to do is relax and then let it go into the middle and then
Yeah.
push down.
Okay. So I need to like adjust it.
You don't have to pull it, no. You don't have to fight it, you just have to guide it.
Okay.
So if you want to go up a gear, clutch, off the accelerator,
Lift.
yeah, and that's it.
Okay, cool. So let's get up to. I need L plates on. Ah! Okay, good. Past car, alive. I don't think anyone's behind me. I can't see.
There's no one behind you.
Good.
Okay, sit rep.
That was a quick 10 minutes. Alright, let's explain what happened. So,
There was a roadworks. We had to pull up to the roadworks. That was all fine.
it's fine. I pulled up to the roadworks. I stopped.
Trying to get going, we started bunny hopping. I said clutch. There was no clutch, so we stalled.
And then I went to turn the car on again, so my foot was on the clutch and I was ready to turn the bad to put the ignition in, and then the key fucking snapped. The key snapped, so now we've just got a bit of metal in the fucking, what do we call it? The ignition. A bit of metal of the key in the ignition. And then Dylan's like, get out quick. We swapped places and all these cars going around us, which is fine. But now we're at the bottom, we're at the back of the queue, behind a road train. And Dylan's going to be driving for a little bit, okay? So that's an update. I didn't fuck up, other than stalling.
On the record, the key was not her fault.
Key wasn't my fault, and stalling it was, but I could have fixed that if the key didn't snap on the second attempt of putting it
Now
on.
you're stumbling. Now you're saying you broke the key.
I did break the key, but it wasn't why my driving stint only lasted 10 minutes.
No, it was stalling in front of all those people.
No, but stalling is fine. I could have saved it, but the key broke, and then that's what fucked it up. And I was like, panic. Okay, put the hazard lights on. Everyone go around.
Yeah.
So here we are. Dylan's driving again. On the record, not my fault.
And the traffic controller laughed at us.
I said sorry. Behind a road train. You know what? There'll be another time and place, and it's all experience, considering I've got probably less than 1 hour total driving manual. And you wanted me to fucking drive. Anyway, out of nowhere. We're alive. It's all good. See you later. We made it to Ceduna. How are you feeling?
I am knackered. The car is knackered.
We've done like what, 1300k in 3 days or something.
My key is broken.
We need to super glue that back together. See the previous 30 seconds for a debacle. Anyway, we made it to the campsite. We're at Ceduna. So, nice sunny blue skies. We're gonna set up and relax a little bit. Next stop is across the Nullarbor. We gotta work out when we're gonna do that.
Probably Eucla.
Eucla, yeah.
If we can make it.
Anyway, we're gonna set up.